What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to share two popular reward apps available on Google Play Store that many users use to earn rewards by playing games and completing offers. Before you get started, keep in mind that rewards, payout methods, and app availability may vary depending on your country. The first app is Cash Giraffe. Open Google Play Store and search for Cash Giraffe and install the app. After signing in, you'll be able to browse a list of mobile games. As you play and complete in-game milestones, you'll earn reward points that can later be redeemed through the available payment options in the app. The second app is Free Cash. Search for Free Cash on the Google Play Store and install it. After creating an account, you'll find different ways to earn rewards, including playing games, completing surveys, and finishing special offers. The more tasks you complete, the more rewards you can earn. Before using any rewards app, always download it from the official Google Play Store, read recent user reviews, and check payout methods and minimum withdrawal requirements before spending your time. And that's it. These are the two popular reward apps you can find on Google Play Store. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.